So this is the Perysmith Xtreme XS1 cordless vacuum. Just to let you guys know, this video was sponsored by Perysmith and we bought this vacuum online because we needed something to complement our heavy-duty vacuum at home. It's kinda cool to see that it came with its own shipping box. Needless to say, the packaging was great and had no damage when it was delivered. The box on the website says it's made in the USA. However, there are grammar errors on the box and instruction manuals that makes me think otherwise. The box and packaging looks nice, looks expensive. I bought this online for a little over 1,200 pesos during an online sale. Regular price, you'll find it anywhere around 1,600 pesos. It's 120 watts with 8,000 PA suction power. Though upon actual usage, it didn't really feel that strong. Battery-wise, it takes around 3.5 hours to fully charge. Total usage time is around 15 minutes. Mind you that this is a cordless vacuum, so you'll need to manage your expectations. It's not meant to replace your heavy-duty vacuum, but it's meant to complement it. There's a lot of accessories inside the box, and it even has its own carrying bag. It has two filters inside that can easily be removed. The filters are washable, so you don't need to worry about replacing them every time it gets dirty. There are a lot of accessories included in the package to let you work on different surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. 3 different sizes of crevice nozzles and 1 brush tool. It also has a blower hose and nozzle, which you can plug into the air outlet to make it double as an air blower for blowing out dust and garbage bags. The noise it gives out isn't that loud either. It has 2 levels of suction strength, both of which have tolerable noise levels. The suction power is strong enough to clean small debris. But larger objects like these coins pose a real challenge. But like what we said, you need to manage your expectations with these kinds of vacuum cleaners. Overall, the Perysmith Xtreme XS1 vacuum is a bang for the buck vacuum cleaner. There are other similar brands that go for about twice the price, but at 1,200 pesos, it's really a good buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you again in our next review.